Hi. Hi, Fairy. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. Oh, you gonna clap your feet together? You clap your feet? Yeah. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Good job! Good job, Farron! Clap, clap, clap! Yes! Clap, clap, clap! Clap, clap, clap! Ah! Clap, clap, clap! Clap, clap, clap! Ah! Ah! Clap! Yay! Good job! Clap, clap, clap! Clap, clap, clap! Ah! Clap, clap, clap! Yay! Very good! Clap, clap, clap! Yeah! Clap, clap, clap! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! Ah! Clap your hands! Yay! Good job! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! You do it! Yay! Good job, Farron! That is so good! That's so good, so good, so good! Clap! Yay! Clap your hands! Ah! Clap! Clap! Big one! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! Clap! Clap! You can do it! Clap! 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 Yay! Good job! Good job, Farron! Good job, Farron! Yes, yes, yes! That's so good! That's so good! Yeah! Oh, good job! Yes, good job! Yes! Yes, yes! That is so good! Clap! Yay! 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 Ooh, good job! Clap! 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 Yay! Good job! Clap! Yay! Good job, Farron! Good job, Farron! Ah! Clap! Clap! You got a big one? Get a big clap! Clap! Yay! Yay! It's so good! It's so good! So good! So good! What is that about? What is that about? Ah. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hi! You say hi, Dada! Hi, Dada! Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Farron, open the book, sweetie. Ah. So let's look book. Open it up. Open that book. Oh. Open the book. Open the book. Good job. Here we are in the jungle. Oh, next page. Here we are having a parade. Oh my goodness. Oh. Here we are at the beach. Woo. Who's at the beach today? A lion? Hippopotamus. Dolphin. Yeah. Duck. Turtle. Ooh. Fish. What other things do we have at the beach? Towel. Beach ball. Boat. Can you turn the page? Turn the page. Yeah. Turn page. Good job. Here we are at the farm. Who's at the farm today? Horsey. Sheep. Duck. Kitty cat. Pig. There's a cow. Chicken. Turn the page. Turn the page. Ah, good job. Oh, back on the farm. Good job. Here we are having a picnic. Who's having a picnic today? Zebra? A dinosaur? Giraffe? Monkey? What are they having for their picnic? Watermelon. Apple? Banana? Oh, now it's bath time. Looks like Hippo's having a bath today. He's got his rubber ducky. And soap. Sponge. Brush. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. And he's got his bunny slippers. Yeah. You know what comes after bath time? You turn the page? Turn the page. Turn page. Oh. Turn page. Darren. Turn page. You all done? You all done? Okay. Close the book. Close the book. Close the book. Good job. All done. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.